4 or 5. Good morning, and now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 05:05 on Thursday the 7th of June. There are warnings of gales in Wight, Portland, Plymouth, Biscay, Fitzroy, Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea, Shannon, Rockall, Malin and Southeast Iceland. The general synopsis at midnight: low Seoul 986, expected Irish Sea 979 by midnight tonight. The area forecast for the next 24 hours: Viking north at Sierra, south at Sierra, easterly 5 or 6, occasionally 7 later, but variable 4 in north at Sierra. Occasional rain, moderate. 40s, Cromarty, east 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later. Occasional rain, fog patches, moderate, occasionally very poor. 4th, Tyne, Dogger, south 4, backing southeast 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later. Occasional rain, fog patches, moderate, occasionally very poor. Fisher, east 5 or 6, occasional rain, fog patches, moderate, occasionally very poor. German Bight, southeast veering southwest 4 or 5, occasional rain, fog patches, moderate, occasionally very poor. Humber, Thames, Dover, south or southeast 4, increasing 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later. Occasional rain, good, occasionally poor. Wight, Portland, south 5 or 6, veering southwest 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in Portland. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. Plymouth, south 6 to gale 8, veering southwesterly 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally storm 10. Rain or squally showers, good, occasionally poor. Biscay, southerly veering westerly 6 to gale 8, occasionally severe gale 9 in north. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. Southwest Fitzroy, westerly 5 to 7, decreasing 4 later. Showers, moderate or good. Northeast Fitzroy, east Seoul, cyclonic becoming westerly 7 to severe gale 9, occasionally storm 10 in east Seoul. Rain then squally showers, good, occasionally poor. West Seoul, northwesterly 5 to 7, showers, good. Lundy, Fastnet, South Irish Sea, cyclonic 5 to 7 becoming westerly 7 to severe gale 9, rain, moderate or poor. North Irish Sea, easterly becoming cyclonic later 5 to 7, occasional rain, fog patches, moderate, occasionally very poor. Shannon, Rockall, Malin, northeasterly 4 or 5, backing northwest 6 to gale 8 later, rain or showers, moderate or good. Hebrides, Bailey, Faroe, Faroes, southeast Iceland, northerly 4 or 5 in South Hebrides and South Bailey, otherwise easterly 5 to 7, occasionally gale 8 in southeast Iceland. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. And here are the weather reports from coastal stations for 0400. Tyree Automatic, north 1, mist, 4 miles, 997, falling more slowly. Stornoway, northeast by east 3, 21 miles, 997, falling slowly. Lerwick, east 5, 11 miles, 1005, falling more slowly. Lucas, northwest 1, thick fog, 100 metres, 998, rising slowly. Bridlington, west-southwest 1, 999, now falling. Sandetti Light Vessel Automatic, south 4, 5 miles, 1004, falling more slowly. Jersey, south-southeast 4, slight drizzle and rain, 4 miles, 1001, falling. Channel Light Vessel Automatic, southeast by south 5, 11 miles, 999, falling. Scilly Automatic, south by east 7, slight rain, 1.5 miles, 992, falling more slowly. Valentia, northeast by east 2, moderate drizzle, 11 miles, 992, falling. Ronaldsway, southeast 2, fog, 600 metres, 997, falling slowly. And Malin Head, east 2, 13 miles, 996, falling slowly. And here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours and issued by the Met Office at 0500. The general situation: a very deep area of low pressure in the southwestern approaches will move northeastwards across the United Kingdom during the next couple of days. It will bring very unsettled weather, also some unusually strong winds for the time of year, particularly for the south and southwest. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney, east or southeast 5 to 7, occasionally 4 at first in Moray Firth. Occasional rain, moderate or poor. Rattray Head to Berwick upon Tweed, variable 3 at first in south, otherwise easterly or southeasterly 4 or 5, increasing 6 or 7 later. Rain at times, fog patches, moderate or poor, occasionally very poor. Berwick upon Tweed to Whitby, variable becoming southeast 3 or 4, increasing 5 to 7. Occasional rain, fog patches at first, moderate or poor, occasionally very poor at first. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, south backing southeast for a time, 3 or 4, increasing 5 to 7. Occasional rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland, southerly backing southeasterly for a time, 4 or 5, increasing 6 or 7 later. Occasional rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. North Foreland to Selsey Bill, southerly or southeasterly 4 or 5, veering southwesterly 5 to 7, perhaps gale 8 later. Occasional rain, showers later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis, southerly 5 to 7, veering southwesterly 6 to gale 8, increasing severe gale 9 for a time in west. Occasional rain, squally showers later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly, south or southeast 5 to 7, veering west or southwest 7 to severe gale 9. Occasional rain, squally showers later, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Land's End, St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel, south becoming cyclonic 5 to 7, then west or southwest 7 to severe gale 9. Occasional rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. St David's Head to the Great Orme Head, including the St George's Channel, easterly or southeasterly, becoming cyclonic 5 or 6, then westerly 6 to gale 8 later. Occasional rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway, east becoming cyclonic later 3 or 4, increasing 5 to 7 for a time. Showers then occasional rain, good, becoming moderate or poor. The Isle of Man, east or southeast 3 or 4, increasing 4 or 5, occasionally 6, backing northeast later. Rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch, east 3 or 4, backing northeast 5 or 6. Occasional rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Mull of Galloway to the Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and the North Channel, easterly 3 or 4, backing northeast 5 or 6. Occasional rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. The Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point, east or northeast 3 or 4, increasing 5 or 6. Rain later, moderate or good, occasionally poor later. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath, easterly or northeasterly 3 or 4, increasing 5 or 6. Rain or showers, moderate or good. And the Shetland Isles, east 5 or 6, occasional rain then fair, good. And the UK outlook for the next 24 hours, it will remain very unsettled and windy, but the gales or severe gales in the south will slowly ease. That completes the shipping bulletin. I'll be back with the general weather forecast in just a few minutes.